Hello there. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create PowerPoint presentations in seconds using AI. So as you can see right now, I am currently on this website called Slides AI, and then simply click on this button that says Slides, or rather install Slides AI for Google Sheets. And then simply click on it and you'll be directed on this landing page, wherein you'll arrive on this platform. Make sure you see uninstall here. So if you see install, get, update, or buy, make sure you click it to install it properly. I've already installed mine, so it says uninstall right there. And as you can see on the works with, it works with Google Slides. So we're perfectly good to go. Let me just escape this one. And then this should be our new landing page. Just open a blank Slides Google Docs, and this should be the one you're seeing right now. Now on the top section, there is File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Slide, Arrange, Tools, Extensions, and Help. So before getting here, I want to remind you that make sure you install the Slides AI extension earlier, because if you hover on the extension, you should see Slides AI right there, and simply click on Generate Slides. So if you didn't install the one earlier, the first step, you would not see this Slides AO. That being said, this should take around 30 to 1 minute of setting up. Anyway, it's here. It didn't take that long. So that's going to be Welcome Slide AI. It's just going to ask you basically what's the basic information. So what role describes you best? Let's just say student. How often do you create PowerPoint presentation? Let's just say weekly. How do you hear about us? Let's just say other. Next step, invite code. Now, you can use different code. For example, there is codes in the market, Facebook Marketplace, or people who already have this exact presentation. However, if you don't have, simply click on skip this step if you don't have an invite code. Now, there is two options. Your own text. This is actually a bit an extra effort because you're gonna write all of your text here. However, if you want to do it basically via the AI from a topic section, you should choose. Now, create a presentation about health and wellness, minimum of 3 characters required. Let's just say about a comic book. Rather, let's just say health and wellness. And the number of slides, let's just say, let's summarize it to 3. Additional information. Must have a slide on stream management techniques. Must have a slide about exercise. Add images, make sure that's toggled in, and then simply click on Create Slides. Now this is the part where we should wait, and I'll get back to you once it's done. So hello there, our slides have just been generated, and it says here your slides have been created. However, it could take up to 30 seconds to load. You can find your input text in the speaker notes on the first slide. Please feel free to close this modal. So again, you can search up or replace images with AI suggested images from Magic Write. Let's check it out later on. So I can close it right now and check for my new slide. So page 1, still a title. You can just input a title here, your own. For example, health and wellness. Okay. And then let's check the slide 2. This is actually a play button that we can try. If it says right there, I think it's still not working. Still loading up. Anyway, these are the slides, maximum of 4 pages. And as you can see right now, I didn't type anything, I did not upload those images. It's all AI. And that's how you create a PowerPoint presentation using AI with just one click. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.